Pleasant good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. So in the previous topic or in the previous class, so far we discussed about idioms. What are idioms? It gives a different meaning than its actual words. So I given some few examples like kick the bucket, once in a blue moon. Okay. Now and I given some few more examples on the day. Now let us go for the few more idioms today in this section, in this class. The first one is bag and baggage. What is the meaning of bag and baggage? Bag and baggage. Now what is the meaning of this idiom? Bag and baggage means with all belongings. What is the meaning of this one? With all belongings. With all belongings. Now let me write one example for this one, bag and baggage. Imran left the house. Imran left the house. Imran left the house with bag and baggage. Okay, with all belongings, whatever he has, with all his belonging, he left the house. Now we can write in the sentence in the example, Imran left the house with bag and baggage. It means whatever which belongs to him, he took away and he left the house. Ups and downs. Ups and downs. What is the meaning of ups and downs? Success and failure. Ups and downs. It means success sometimes will get a success and sometimes failure. Okay, ups and downs. Now you can write example, he has experienced many ups and downs in life. He has experienced many ups and downs in his life. MS Dhoni, he faced many ups and downs in his life. You can use this example also, and you can write more few examples by this idioms. Next, at the 11th hour. What is the meaning of at the 11th hour? Means last. The last moment. At the 11th hour. At the 11th hour. What is the meaning of at the 11th hour? At the last moment. The meaning is at the last moment. The last moment. Now let me write one example for this at the 11th hour. So I had to leave for Hyderabad at the 11th hour. It means at the last moment. At the last moment, at the same situation. Lastly, I decided to go for Hyderabad. So at the 11th hour, I left for Hyderabad. Okay, what is the meaning? At the last moment. What is the meaning of in vain? In vain. This is also idiom. In vain, without success. Without success. Without success. He tried to convince him. He tried to convince. He tried to convince his manager. He tried to convince his manager, but in vain. But in vain. What is the meaning of but in vain? Without any success. So in vain. This is an idiom. What is the meaning of this idiom? Without success. So this is the example. He tried to convince his manager, but in vain. Let me give in black and white. In black and white. What is the meaning of this idioms in black and white? Clearly defined in writing. Clearly defined. Clearly defined in writing. This is the meaning for this idiom in black and white. What is example? India-Pak trade agreement was linked in black and white today. So India and Pakistan agreement is in black and white. What does it mean? It means clearly defined in writing. Okay, so you can write some few example also. In a nutshell, in a nutshell, in a nutshell, what is the meaning of this idiom? In a nutshell? In a nutshell means briefly. You have to explain so and so topic in a nutshell. He explained the topic in a nutshell, which means briefly. What is the meaning of this one? Briefly. Briefly. Okay. So, please tell me the story in a nutshell. This is example. Please tell me the story in a nutshell. Means briefly. What happens yesterday? Please tell me in a nutshell. Means very brief, very briefly. A red letter day is completed. It means memorable day. It is a red letter day. When I went with my aunt to Hyderabad, it is a red letter day to me. When I visited Mecca and Medina, it is a red letter day to me. It means a memorable day. Is it clear? On and off. On and off. What is the meaning of on and off? Now and then. Now and then. Now and then. So what is the meaning of this idiom on and off? Now and then. So I have to remind the students on and off to keep quiet. So we can write in the sentence, I have to remind to the students on and off means now and then to be quiet or to be silent.